Hello students, this is your teacher Manju Patil sir. So let's go to triangles second exercise. This is here in figure 6.17. First question is DE parallel to BC. Find EC and AD. It's so simple. By using a BPT theorem or a Thales theorem, you can easily solve this. How? So see this here. So just we can observe the proportionality theorem. What about proportionality theorem? If DE is parallel to BC, as per this, BE parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC, we write proportionals. AD divided by BD, AD by BD. Next is equal to AE by EC. This one is okay. Here we don't know EC. So put the values of AD. What is AD here? AD is 1.5. So 1.5 divided by BD is 3 cm. AE is 1 cm. We don't know EC. Okay. So next cross multiply. So 1.5 ones are 1.5 twos are. So EC into 1, that is EC. 2 into 1, that is 2. So EC value is 2 centimeter. Okay. So second question also same. DE is parallel to BC. So as per this, write proportions AD by BD, AE by EC again. AD by BD equal to AE by EC. Okay. What about AD? We don't know AD. So write BD. BD is 7.2 equal to AE 1.8 and EC 5.4. Just write AD 1.8 divided by 5.4. What about 7.2? So cross multiply this. So 7.2. 1.8 ones are 1.8 threes are. So next 3 ones are 3 twos are. What will remain is 1. 1.2 means 12. So 3 fours are 12. Take a point here. So AD value is 2.4 centimeter. Got it? So go to next question. So we already have an answer. So next question is E and F are the points on the sides of PQ and PR respectively of a PQR for each of the following cases. State whether it means you have to check EF and QR are parallel or not. Okay, by knowing the BPT theorem. Okay, so it's so simple. So next, so observe the diagram here. PE, EQ, PF, FR already they have written the values of here. So just take proportionals. PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. This one. PE by EQ, PF by FR. Write the values. 3.9 divided by 3. 3.6 divided by 2.4. So just cancel this. 3 ones are 3, 1.3s are. Here 12 twos are 12 threes are. So if we cancel once again the value is 1.5. So LHS is 1.3 and RHS is 1.5. So these are not equal. If a proportional is not equal, you can easily say EF is not parallel to which one? QR. This EF and QR are not parallel anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, because proportional is not equal here because LHS 1.3, RHS is 1.5. So next go through a second question. Go through second question. It is here. Okay, here. So we can easily say again take a proportional. PE divided by EQ. PF divided by FR. Write the values of PE is 4, EQ is 4.5 equal to 8 divided by 9. So 2 4 is 2 4.5 is. So 4 by 4.5 is equal to 4 divided by 4.5. LHS is equal to RHS. So then you can easily say EF is parallel to QR as per theorem 6.2. But converse of theorem 6.2, converse of Thales theorem says, theorem 6.2 says, if proportionals are equal, then we can say there is a these two lines are parallel. Okay, so here it is. EF is parallel to QR. Clear? So next, third question also is there here. Actually, third question is here. Okay. So next, third question. In third question, PE, take a proportional again, PE divided by PQ. Actually, they gave a PQ value, not EQ. That's why we take a PQ value here. So next, PF divided by PR. PE divided by PQ, PEF divided by PR. Okay, what is PE value? PE value is 0.18 divided by PQ value is 1.28. Next, PF value 0.36 divided by PR value 2.56. Okay, so just take a look. 18 divided by 128, 36 divided by 256. So cancel it. 2 18s, 2 128s. So LHS is equal to RHS here. So we need not to simplify more and more. Just cancel it once. You can get easily 89 120 is here. So LHS is equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, so we easily say by theorem 6.2 EF parallel to QR as per converse of Thales theorem. Okay, so EF is parallel to QR here. Next, question number 3. In this question, just follow the conditions here. Okay, so LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. By observing just proportionals, where these proportionals came under the BPT theorem, under the Thales theorem. Okay, so just follow this. First condition, LM by CB. So if LM by CB is parallel, what we say, AM by MB, AL by LC. So write the condition. LM is parallel to CB. What we write? AM divided by MB equal to AL divided by LC. Call this is 1. By which theorem this is? By theorem 6.1 or BPT theorem. Okay, so take a second condition. LN parallel to CD. So if LN parallel to CD, what we say? So LN parallel to CD. If LN parallel to CD, AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. Okay, so AN by ND is equal to AL by LC. So this is to, again this is from theorem 6.1. Okay, so observe the LHS here, AL by LC, here also AL by LC. If AL by LC is equal to AM by MB, again AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. From 192 is, you can easily say from 192 AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. if these proportionals are equal, by converse of Thales theorem, we can say, so actually this is our, we are going to prove. This is our answer. Okay, clear? So next go through a third question, it's a fourth question. Okay, in the following figure, DE is parallel to AC, DF is parallel to AE. Prove that these proportionals. Okay, so that you have to prove these proportionals. So take first DE is parallel to AC. So here it is a diagram. In the diagram we will left this and this line. Okay, so ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Just take these lines. Just take these lines only. Okay, so it is a diagram here. Okay, DE is parallel to AC. What we write? AD by, so BD by AD, BD by AD equal to BE by EC, BE by EC. By theorem 6.1, call this is 1. Okay, so next DF by AE, DF parallel to AE. So in this diagram, take this DF, DF is parallel to AE. Just take this diagram here. Okay, so leave this and this line. Okay, BD by AD, BD by AD is equal to BF by EF, BF by EF. Okay, this is to by theorem BPT or 6.1. Okay, so from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so observe the LHS BD by AD, BD by AD. So if LHS are equal, then RHS also equal. BE by EC is equal to BF by EF. This is we are going to prove. So observe here, this is a we are going to prove. Okay, so next fifth question. Also same method we are going to follow. So DE parallel to EQ, DE is parallel to OQ. So just observe that DE is parallel to OQ, means you have to follow this diagram only. Okay, so write up, if these are two are parallel, write PE divided by EQ, PE divided by EQ is equal to PD divided by OD, PD is divided by OD. Okay, so next call this is 1 by what theorem? Theorem 6.1 or PPT theorem or Thales theorem. So next take second condition. What is that? DF is parallel to OR. So DF is parallel to OR. So let's take a DF. DF is parallel to OR. If these two lines are parallel, take this triangle. What is that? PD divided by OD, PD divided by OD is equal to PF by FR, PF by FR. Okay, this is again from the Thales theorem. Okay, so RHS are equal here. So from 1 and 2, LHS PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR also equal, because LHS are equal, then RHS also equal. This is if these two are proportional, then we can say easily what is that? By given condition, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. When these two are proportional, when only EF and QR are parallel. So ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಬೈ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥೆರಮ್ EF is parallel to QR. By what theorem? Theorem 6.2 or converse of Thales theorem. Okay, clear? So here in given notes there are multiple diagrams, and this diagram, this diagram, this diagram. So we need not to draw multiple diagrams, just draw this diagram in exam in your given answer. Okay, so just don't draw this diagram, and this diagram. Okay, only one diagram. Here also multiple diagrams are there, so all because these diagrams are only so to convince you to explain you. Okay. Next, question number 6. In the following figure, A, B and C are the points of OP, OQ or respective, such that AB parallel to PQ, AC parallel to PR. So again take a conditions. By AB, PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. If these two lines are parallel, just observe this triangle. Okay. So next, proportional. AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. It means OA divided by AP. OA divided by AP is equal to OB divided by BQ. OB divided by BQ. This is one theorem routine 6.1. Okay. So next, AC by PR. AC parallel to PR. If AC parallel to PR, AC is parallel to PR. So take this triangle now. So OA by PA, OA by PR AP is equal to OC by CR, OC by CR. This is 2 theorem 6.1. So LHS equal, RHS are so equal. So from 1 and 2, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. So by observing the proportional, these two are proportional. When these given lines are proportional, which are these? OB and BQ, OC and CR. Where are those? OB, BQ, OC, CR are proportional. Then we say BC parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. By what theorem? Theorem 6.2. What is 6.2 theorem? That is the converse of Thales theorem. Okay. So actually they drawn multiple diagrams here. Again, need not to draw multiple diagrams, just draw a single diagram. What's that? In given diagram. Okay, this diagram only. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಈ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಂದು, ಸೊ ಈ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವ, ಇದೊಂದೇ ಡೈಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ 6.1 ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಇದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಅದೇ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಎ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಪರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಎ ಸಿಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನು, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ PQ is a drawn through midpoint, and the P is a midpoint here. Midpoint P of line AB, okay. Such that PQ parallel to AB, PQ is parallel to AB. If PQ is parallel to AB, parallel ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. So right here, AQ by QC equal to AP by PB. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ AP equal to PB ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಯಾಕಂದರೆ P ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಇದು 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 10 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇದು ಸಹ 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 10/10 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1/1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್ AP and PB, ರೈಟ್ 1/1 here. ಸೊ AQ into 1 AQ, QC into 1 QC, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ AQ equal to QC ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು AQ equal to QC ಆದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Q is the midpoint. So Q is the midpoint of AC. So that's what we are going to prove here. Okay. So next go through 8th question. Using converse of basic proportionality theorem, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. ಅಂದರೆ P and Q are midpoints ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮಿಡ್ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೈನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ just draw the figure here. ABC is the triangle. P, Q are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of AC. So that they are given here. P and Q are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So it means AP is equal to PB, AP equal to PB, AQ equal to QC. AQ equal to ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ P ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, AP ಇದ್ದಷ್ಟೇ PB ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದಾಗ AQ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೋ QCನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ AP equal to PB, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? 1/1. ಯಾಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 1/1 ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ AP equal to PB. 10/10 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1/1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ AP equal to PB ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1/1 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ if Q is midpoint, AQ equal to QC is equal to 1/1. So from this and this, observing by these two, we can say AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. ಹೌದಾ? AP by PB ಅಂದರೆ 1/1 ಇದೆ, AQ by QC ಅಂದರೆ 1/1 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ AP by PB, AQ by QC are equal. So if this AP by PB, AQ by QC proportional are equal by basic proportionality theorem, what we say? Converse, actually by using converse here, converse of basic proportionality theorem, PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, parallel ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇವು ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 9th ಕ್ವಶನ್. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC. In its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. So diagonals intersect each other point O. Show that AO by OB is equal to OC by OD. Okay, it's also so simple. Draw a line. Actually, draw a line EF here. Draw a line EF which is parallel to point through O. This way, O point through ne EF line draw ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, such that EF, this line EF is parallel to CD. Okay, so EF parallel to CD ಇರೋ ಥರ ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ADC, EO is parallel to CD. By using proportionality theorem ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದು? By using proportionality theorem, right here, EO parallel to ED ಆದಾಗ AE divided by ED is equal to OB by OD ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌದಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ EO parallel to CD, EO is parallel to CD ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ. This is 1. Okay, next. Sorry, actually they missed the figure here. If OE parallel to CD, OE is parallel to CD, this diagram you have to consider. Okay, so by this diagram, AE parallel AE by ED is equal to AO by OC, AO by OC. Okay, this is one by Thales theorem. Okay, so next we already know what we know. AB is parallel to DC. Now we know CD is parallel to EO. So CD is parallel to EO. So by observing this, AB is parallel to EO. So AB is parallel to EO. Okay. So next, draw the diagram here. Draw the diagram. If these are EO is parallel to AB, observe this triangle. Okay. So write the parallels. AE by ED is equal to OB by OD. This is O. Okay. OB by OD. This is 2 by Thales theorem. Okay. So let's observe from 192. LHS are equal S. So from 192, RHS is also equal. AO by OC is equal to OB by OD. But this is a little changes are here. Here AO by OB in given answer. But we have write AO by OC, OB by OD. Just cross multiply these two. Okay. So what's that? AO by OB. Andre OB na cross multiply ee kade tagond banni. So OC go here. So this is our answer. Okay. Clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ OC ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So in given answer, OC take here, OB take here. So just place interchange the places by cross multiplying. AO by is in same place, take OB in divided by. So OC in numerator, OC by OD. This is our answer. Okay. 10th question and the last question of the exercise. The diagonals of the quadrilateral ABC intersect each other at the point O. So this is the quadrilateral. This quadrilateral diagonals are AC and BD. They are intersected point O. AO by BO equal to OC by OD. So that is also given condition. So we have to just prove the ABCD is a trapezium. What's the condition of what's the property of trapezium? In that trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel. So if one sides of quadrilateral is parallel, that is called the trapezium. So just we have to prove here AB is parallel to CD. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರಾಪಿಸಿಯಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎರಡು AB ಮತ್ತು CD ನ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ let's prove the answer. So here given figure, draw a line OE parallel to AB. AB ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರೋ ಥರ AO ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ if OE is parallel to AB, write the proportion by basic proportionality theorem. AE by ED is equal to OB by OD. So it is here by theorem 6.1. They are written here basic proportionality theorem. Or it is given condition. It is in given condition. It is in given. It means it is in question. Okay. So by in question OB AO by OC equal to OB by OD. The question alli ide. Idana 2 anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. That's what they write here given condition. So here observe this. From 192 OB OD, OB, OD. RHS are equal. Then LHS also equal. So A by ED equal to AO by OC. They are written here from 192 equations. These two are equal. What are these? AE by ED, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC. If these two are equal, then we say OE is parallel to CD. OEO is parallel to CD by converse of Thales theorem, by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So AB is parallel to OE, AB is parallel to OE, CD is parallel to DC, CD is also parallel to EO. So by observing these three conditions, AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD. So if one pair of sides are parallel, AB is parallel to CD, so we can say if one pair of sides are parallel, ABCD is a trapezium. So this completes your 6.2 exercise. So complete the notes by keeping the notes beside. Just observe the class. Okay. So when we upload these video classes in YouTube, when you are in confused, just comment on YouTube. Okay. So I will answer you once again. Okay. Thank you.